Do neutral shades wash you out? Well, here's the solution.
To achieve those perfectly shaded ombre lips, we need two colors. The first, a darker or a bolder shade of lip color, and second, a lighter shade. The first step is to line our lips using the darker or the bolder shade of lipstick or lip pencil. So once you're done lining or outlining your lips, use the same dark color lip pencil or lip color to shade the lips like so. Now the second step is to use the lighter or the neutral shade of lipstick and pat the color on the unshaded part of the lips, that is at the center. Once you're done, use your fingers to blend the colors together. Blend it in such a manner that it looks like a gradient finish, lighter at the center and darker at the borders. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe and click a like on this video. Thanks for watching.